Hi guys, I'm your host for channel Montessori Station. Today we are going to learn about the sweeping.
Sweeping is necessary in our life, and a child must know how to sweep. That's why we have brought a sweeping presentation for you today. Okay, how to make this illustration? We have made this tray with a formic sheet, and we have made these balls. One ball contain garbage and another ball contain a chalk, and we have taken the printout of the dustpan with brush, and this is sponge. An apron, which is very necessary for the child and the directress both. And we have made these two brooms with the real broom material easily. When children play on the mat, they create mess, and after doing this presentation, they will be able to clean their mess by themselves. And this presentation will also improve the coordination of movement and independence and concentration. We should use this presentation for the children of 3.5 years onwards. Take the consent of the child, put on the apron, the directress and child both. Bring the material to the place of presentation with the help of the child. Arrange the material on the floor from right to left in order of use. Spread some sawdust on the floor like that. Draw a medium-sized circle with the chalk surrounding the dust. Draw a mark in the center of the circle. Hold the broom in your right hand and starting from the first half of the circle, which is close to you, collect the dust in the center. Now we are keeping the broom back to its place. Take the dustpan in your left hand and the brush in your right hand. Collect all the dust from the center into the dustpan. Now we have brought here the damp sponge with the help of child. Now start removing the circle. Right from here, and also this mark. Now I am inviting the child to do the same presentation.
I can clean my room by myself. Children, do you also want to clean your room? So watch my video. If you like our video, subscribe us, like us. Stay tuned in Montessori Station. Thank you. Bye-bye.